Hi, my name is Junie Kovacs. I'm the founder of Lanta Animal Welfare. This is Sugar. The first time I came to Koh Lanta was 2000, I think. It was really, really sad. The animals were really struggling. There wasn't enough food to find. It was quite disturbing, and I felt that I need to do something about it. Initially, I started up Time for Lyme. Everything actually started on the premises. Locals started coming more and more to Time for Lyme, trying to get help. I started saving up more and more of the profits from Time for Lyme. And finally, after 6 years, the new animal center was built, where we had a surgery room, volunteer rooms, and so on. Throughout the years, I've seen quite a few ugly things. It can be either accidents that have happened, or it can be actually animal abuse. A lot of poisoning have been done, slashing. I think the worst things that I find is pouring boiling oil on the animal is quite horrific. They will not survive if they don't get treated. Sterilization is our first priority, I would say, at Lanta Animal Welfare, because this reduces suffering in many ways. What we do is pick up stray animals, sterilize them, we give them a rabies vaccination, and when they're recovered from the surgery, we put them back exactly the same place. As of now, we've actually managed to sterilize 90% of the dogs on Koh Lanta. We're dependent on volunteers to keep our place running, both general volunteers but also volunteer vets. At all times, we have 15, 20 volunteers, aged from 20 to 65. Lanta Animal Welfare needs help. One of the first ways is to adopt one of the animals that we have at the center. It's much more easy than people think, and less cost as well. We arrange everything. The second way is, if you can't adopt an animal, you can maybe sponsor one of the animals. You can come and visit the animal center, take a cooking school, or have a nice dinner at Time for Lyme. I get the question quite often from people, how can they help? I would say that if you have a passion and you want to help, just do it. Don't think that it's not going to matter, it's helping just a little bit, everything helps.